Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, 2020 is almost over, and what better way to end this year than one more ride? So let's go meet up with Schrocket Off-Road, some other friends, and just end the year in style. Come on along. That's pretty steep. You think we'll flip backwards?
Nah, I think it's fine. As long as we get the front tires and a little lift, it'll be fine.
Being as tall as we are. Let me know if you see something come off the ground. That's my concern, is that bump. I just don't want to flip backwards.
Oh, yeah.
That ledge.
That's the worst part.
Yeah, this ledge isn't nearly as, because it's not straight up.
That back tire.
No, we're gonna get it off the ground. That's not an issue. It's just a matter of I don't want to take the tree out because this one hurts.
Yeah, roll it out.
It's like the dunes. And there you have it, 45 plus miles of riding. Special thanks to Schrocket Off-Road for hosting and leading the ride. It was a great ride. A couple technical areas, but the Pioneer did great. I also want to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting me over the last year. I hit a few milestones. I hit 1,000 subscribers back in May. I'm currently just over 2,400 subscribers at the end of 2020. Whew, big year. Can't wait till next year to see what comes. I know I got some big plans coming. 1 or 2 small changes to the Pioneer, and then a new project coming to the channel. That is for sure. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next year.